Maddie GTV. Maddie from Maddie GTV. Let me scoot my chair over. Anyway, today I'm going to be starting my very own and first series. So, I'm going to be starting this week. Each week I will be having a new theme on what I'm going to draw. Yes, it's a drawing series. Okay, anyway, alright, I want you guys to see if you can guess the theme for this week. I'm going to give you a few seconds to go into the comment section and write what you think today's theme is. Okay? Go. Have you guessed it yet? It's emojis. If you guessed it right in the comments, please do say, I got it right in the comments. And also, leave what kind of theme you want me to do next week, and leave what kind of emoji you want me to do next week too. Tomorrow. Alright, so this is the emoji I'm gonna try and draw. It's the Angel Emoji. And so that's the one that I'm gonna do. And if you don't recognize this emoji, this one is the Angel Emoji. I know some of you have Apple phones, some of you have Samsungs. Everybody has their own phone. Almost everybody has their own phone. It looks so funny with a baby texting. Blah 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 blah. That would look funny. Okay, anyway, but here are the colors that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pen, a yellow pencil, a blue pencil, and a brown pencil. Excuse me for my extremely messy room, and a sharpening bowl, because my pencils are super, super dull. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and point you down to the paper. First, you're going to start out, everybody knows this, with a circle. Alright? And inside of that circle, you're going to draw a little arch. 2 little arches. Alright? And then, you're going to take your arch and you're going to go up and then down, kind of looking like hair. And then up and then down. Alright, there's that part. Now you're going to make a little smile. Now you're going to take your smile and you're going to do the same thing. And trust me, I will be getting to the halo part right now. I know, it looks so derpy. Okay, anyway, you're gonna go and you're gonna take it and you're gonna go around. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna go around again. Okay, it looks good. Make sure you use a pencil, because you need to erase those little lines right there. Anyway, there's the outline of it. Now, everybody knows you need to take your yellow. I think you can see the pencil. Oh, I guess I should give you a little bit of time to finish that part. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen my pencil. If I can keep it in my hand. Me and pencils do not go together. Never put me and a pencil in the same room. I will drop the pencil 200 times. Alright, now I'm going to start the music right about now. There we go. Now there, and don't do the smile yet because there are a few things that you need to do with the brown to do the smile. Light brown. Hold on just for a moment. I need to get it dark brown. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're going to keep going and we're going to sharpen this one and keep sharpening and sharpening. Alright, now we're going to color, just kind of shade the eyes brown. And then you're going to go to the mouth and shade the mouth brown. Alright, there you go. And then, no, please, that's not it. You're going to sharpen your yellow pencil if it needs it. Okay, and then you're going to take your yellow pencil and you're going to color with your yellow pencil, not shade, but color on top of the brown. And it should look a little bit like this. Alright, and there you have it. Here is my emoji compared to this emoji. I think it looks particularly, wait. There's that emoji. There's my emoji. That emoji, my emoji. That emoji, my emoji. Alright. Oh, wait, there's one more thing you gotta do before you end the video. You have to sign it. Maddie G TV. And then I like to put a heart beside mine. You know why? Because I love it. Alright, there you have it. There's mine. And if you drew this emoji, I want you to shout in the comments, I drew an emoji. Alright, please leave a... Alright, remember, my name is Maddie from Maddie G TV. And if you like the video, please leave a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you next time, or, and otherwise, tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.